on air sa programa ko sa Wanted sa radyo, itong magkasintahan, sikat po ito, si Mikey Agustin and Yexel Sebastian. Daan-daan libong milyong piso na, hundreds of millions of pesos na po ang na-scam nila, investment scam. And baka abutin nga po sa billions of pesos na. Na-announce ko na po ito sa radio ko, and then before sa radio ko, kumalat ito sa social media. Kanina po, meron akong kakilala na kasabay niya sa aeroplano itong dalawang magkasintahan, sakay po ng Cebu Pacific going to Nagoya, Japan. Hindi ko alam kung ito'y tumatakas na or baka pupunta dun sa Nagoya para mag-recruit na naman ng mga investors. Is there any way, I know na kailangan ng whole departure order from the court bago nyo hindi mapasakay yung isang taong gustong bumiyahe. Pero is there any way na mapigilan, I don't know, it's up to you sa immigration, gayon meron naman palang balita na kalat na ito ay marami na na-scam at inireklamo na sa NBI. Attorney
Commissioner, go ahead, please.
Commissioner.
Good morning, Mr. Chair, Senator Tolpo. With the permission of the Secretary. Indeed, our records show that Mikey Trixia Agustin and Bixel Sebastian left for Nagoya this morning at 7 o'clock. And based on our records, the two subjects have no whole departure order. And in fact, they have no derogatory record based on our database. Other than a whole departure order that can be issued only by a regional trial court upon a case filed, the Department of Justice can also issue an immigration lookout bulletin, but there must be a complaint already filed with the prosecutor's office, or a precautionary hold order can be issued also by the court upon filing of the criminal complaint with the prosecutor's office. So, as of now, we have no reason to hold the departure of the two subjects.
Okay, ito siguro tanong ko kay Secretary Remulla, kasi many years ago, I know na yung Secretary ng DOJ pwede mag-issue ng whole departure order, if I'm not mistaken, Secretary Remulla, upon the recommendation of the NBI dahil meron ng case na i-file against kung sino man yung mga tao na i-file po sa kanila.
Sir, ang pwede lang ho namin gawin ay lookout bulletin lang po. Nagkaroon po ng kaso ito nung araw, nung panahon ni Secretary De Lima. At dumating po ito sa Korte Suprema. At hanggang lookout bulletin lang po ang aming pwedeng gawin. Kasi yung right to travel po yung ating tinitingnan. Ngunit kung gagawa po tayo ng batas na magkakaroon po tayo ng ibang pagsusuri sa mga taong may kaso o dapat kasuhan, maaari po nating panghawakan pa yung mga tao.